Well, let's focus in on a stock that we don't talk about too often, but that's in focus on the back of a very healthy quarterly show, a strong Q3 set of numbers, and we'll be zeroing in on Bhansali Engineering Polymers. So essentially, the company manufactures international quality ABS, which is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, and it's a value-driven organization. Essentially, they have joined hands with Nippon A&L Japan, and they plan to expand the business of Styrenix resins, as well as support the sale of ABS resins, AES resins, ASA resins, and other alloys of theirs in the Indian market. This makes the company, essentially the joint venture with NAL, makes them the most indigenous company in this segment. So they're a supplier of leading polymers, and they supply to sectors like automobiles, home appliances, electronics, healthcare, and kitchenware. Now let's focus in on the dhamakedar numbers that the company delivered in the quarter gone by on a year-on-year basis as well as on a QOQ basis. It has been a healthy set of numbers. Revenue from operations came in for the quarter at a healthy 411.3 crore rupees. That's up nearly 58% on year, and even if you compare it on a QOQ basis, they delivered a revenue of about 308 crores, and that's up nearly 33.6%. The adjusted PAT, what a phenomenal rise you've seen in the PAT performance at 136 crores versus a meager 16.9 crores on a year-on-year basis. They've seen solid growth, and the adjusted profit is on a sequential basis versus a comparable of about 35.5 times. So there's been a significant spike in the adjusted profit. Operationally as well, the company has done very well. The EBITDA stands at 184 crore rupees. This is versus 24.6 crores on a yearly basis. So that means that there's been a spike of nearly 649% YOY, and on a sequential basis versus 46.3%, the jump in EBITDA has been phenomenal at nearly 297%. Margins, of course, have come in healthy at a solid 44.8% versus single-digit margins in the last year, 9.4%. So an exponential growth there, and this is versus a 15% margin QOQ. The quarterly EPS for Bhansali Engineering is at about 8.2, and the stock trades at a PE of about 14.8 times the TTM EPS. Now, incidentally, if you look at the stock price as well, the stock has a market cap of about 2,634 crore rupees. It's not a very liquid candidate, but it wrapped up the session on Friday at about 158 rupees. The returns as well have been very stellar. In the last 1 month, it's put on about 8.8%, but if you map out the 6-month return, it's given investors a whopping 270%. More reason to cheer now for Bhansali Engineering with these